Okay, so this is how I fit the track together, the caterpillar track for the mole. These are the individual pieces which are made up, because they're 3D printed and they're a bit of an awkward shape. I printed them in two parts, so that I've got two flat sides which I then glued together with some the EMA plastic weld. Doesn't take long to do those, just make sure they're square. So once you've got your piece, I first of all just trimmed, because they were a bit tight, I've just trimmed down their tabs. Only a very, very slim slither, just to make sure that when they're together, they're made up together, that they become nice and loose and not too tight. It's easier to put together as well. So probably less than ½ mil really. And the same on the other side, which is like the rebate side. But this I'd probably take even less. It's just enough to get a clearance. Make sure the bits are out of the way. So I then get a piece of wire. This is 0.7mm wire, galvanized, just the galvanized steel wire. I just straighten the wire out just to make sure it's fairly straight, and then I go through the plastic on the tab side first, just to make sure the hole is nice and clear. That's it, that's nice. And then the same with the other side. And I normally push it through, probably about 2 or 3 mil each pass, otherwise it can just bend and you muck your wire up and you've got to start again. So once it's come through here, then I just back it off, just pass so it just goes back into the plastic. And now I'm ready to put it together with the caterpillar track onto this tab with the rebate side, so they go together like that. And then I put a pin in the opposite side just to keep it square and located. This can be a little bit fiddly. That's it. And I don't, again, I just leave the pin just slightly sticking out. All I need to do is make sure it goes into this tab here, just enough to hold the whole thing square. Then I can start pushing this wire through, again only 2mm at a time. Once it goes into the tab, which it just does done, it starts to push. You can see that there, it starts to push the pin out the other side. Then once it gets to made a bit of a boo-boo there. Once it gets to the other side, the pin starts to come out, and I need about 2 mil left. And what I'll do is I'll just trim this off, leaving 2 or 3 mil sticking out here, and then I'll just put it on a hard surface and just tap that pin right through so it goes through to almost the other side here, and then you've got a nice little pivoting track.